Hello there and welcome to day 7 of my 2020 Christmas countdown. This year I'm featuring my new Dragon 32 and attempting to play a different game for the very first time on it here on the channel. Probably badly, I'll be honest with you. If you've not watched any of these before, yeah, my gameplay leaves a little bit to be desired. Day 7, I've got an adornment for the tree. I'm remembering to put it on now. I don't know where to put it on. Let's put it up here. How's that? Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so yesterday I had a look at Planet Invasion, which is a Defender clone, and I really wasn't very good at it. Oh. Ooh. No. Today I'm trying my hand at Flagon Bird, which is an amusing hybrid of course dragon and Flappy Bird. So this one's quite a new one, having only been released in 2014. Absolutely amazing. So this is created by a chap called Dave E, and I believe it's in the public domain. So it's freely accessible if you want to grab it from worldofdragon.org. Right. I'm assuming that it's the spacebar to start and the solitary game control. Let's give it a go. Rubbish. Okay, wow, game over straight away. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Oh. Well, I have a new high score of 2. Okay, right. Oh, maybe I need to use the other hand. What is going on? Lord. I'm getting put off by the scrolling. You guys watch the scrolling. I'll try and watch the gameplay. Oh, flipping it. Ooh, 3. Go on. Oh my Lord. Is this worse than the mobile phone one? Oh. It's quite amusing when a little bird bangs his head on the thing. It's actually quite a funny sound effect. I'm going to turn that up just a little bit so you can hear it. I don't know if you can or not. But yeah, pretty funny actually. Oh. Oh, I'm trying to avoid the thing. 5. It's probably about as good as it's going to get. But there's, oh Lord. There's a strong chance I'm going to shoot this video again. Oh. Okay, oh my God, last go. No, this is the last go. Oh, okay, fine. Well, it's lost none of its addictiveness, and I am just as chronically bad at this as I was at the original Flappy Bird back in the day. Well, there we go. Super short video, little bit of fun. I'm going to have another crack at this. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.